Good morning, Assalamualaikum, and good morning sa mga taga-Indonesian, yung mga subscriber ko dyan, yung mga always watching me, or always watching my videos. Hello sis, hello to all of you there in Indonesia. I hope you are okay there, you are good. Like here in the Philippines, everything is fine, alhamdulillah. You know, I'm so proud because you are always watching my video. Kaya thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I appreciated that. Thank you so much, my friend. All of you, I love you all, my friend in Indonesia, because, Indonesia is like Filipino also. The attitude, because they love to eat chicken, um, except the Muslim because they don't eat pig, but Indonesian, they want also to eat chicken, fish, like that, because before I have so many friends in Saudi, no in Saudi, Dubai, Bahrain, and Kuwait. So many Indonesia, they're working also like OFW, like Filipino also. That's why I love you all, Indonesian, my friend. I miss you all. I'm I know I don't know I'm not expecting, no, because you're watching my video, so thank you so much. And I always also my favorite also Indonesian videos. I love too much, I because I appreciate that, because before my old friend, I treat them like my sister, yeah. They love me also like a sister because I'm oldest than them. That's why they love me also. They always together working, they eat together like that, That's why I love you. I love you so much. Indonesian country, Filipino also. Pati mga Pilipino appreciated that because always also watching my videos na kahit walang edit, no editing, no music. That's why thank you so much sa mga pang-ano nyo sa akin, Indonesian, Filipino, and Malaysia. Also Malaysia. I have also a friend in Malaysia, guys. Kasi dyan ako nagtrabaho in Malaysia. Yeah, I have also a friend there in Malaysia. So many friends there in Malaysia, Indonesian, Filipina, everything is there. Everything is fine. That's why magpakain na tayo ng isda. Ito yung isda. Kasi, I take care also pig. How many pig? Maybe 20 pig like that, mother, and also the partner and babies, that's why not successful also, no successful at all, because they sick like that, no problem. That's why now I also try to take care samak, samak, ikan in Indonesia. Ang tawag nila sa isda na tilapia is ikan. Ang tawag nila yung food natin is makan. The rice is makan. Parang Ilocano. Your words, Indonesia and Filipino and Ilocano is like, what's that? I think is like, not different. Same, That's why ito. Ipapakain natin. Yan. Pakain na tayo, guys, doon sa isda natin. Yan. Kaya yan, thank you so much. Thank you so much, mga Indonesian, my friend. Yan, tignan natin. Sarado ko muna. Wow, flower is coming. Yan, flower is coming. You see? Flower is coming. Flower is coming. Ayan. Ayan, yan. My plant, you see? My plant. Yan. My plant. Yes. Yan. Dali, punta tayo doon sa isdahan. Yan na ni share ni Celeste. Mga pakanak pa lang nga kat madamdama. Ihari ko, aji ngay patyanan nan. Patyanan.